Here's a tale of 3 spinners. Which one's longer? One slowing down. That's the all plastic one. Still running for 42 seconds. Still spin. Bottom just glow in the dark quit at 2 minutes and 12 seconds. So we got the 2 all metal ones still spinning. I'll show you where I got these from after they quit. So that makes them going about close to 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So quit at 3 minutes and 26 seconds. And the winner is all brass looking one. And that one is the most expensive, roughly $9.99. So there you go, 3 minutes and 42 seconds. So I'll show you what they look like. This right here is the prettiest one. And that one. And that one. So I'll show you where I got them on the internet from Amazon.com, Prime shipping. So there you go, the FMALL fidget spinner for $7.99 from Prime. That's the first one I bought. Here's the second one for $9.50. It's a Zinc alloy hand spinner. This is the prettiest one of them all. It's got the pretty rainbows on it. So this is the one that I would buy, even though it's a little slower. It's not that much slower, but it looks so much prettier. So you can get it, just search for it on Prime. It's $9.50. And here's the one that spun the longest, over 3 minutes. It's a Spinner Guys EDC Spinner Tri-Fidget metal toy. So it's all metal. The all metal ones are a little heavier, so they spin so much better. So if you want one that goes for a long time, get this one. They're really all 3 pretty nice. You get the pretty glow in the dark, or you can get the pretty rainbow one, or you can get this, or you can do like me and get all 3. So there you go. Thank y'all for watching, and get them for your granddaughters and grandchildren.